What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to show you how you can earn $1,000 a month on Instagram absolutely free. Okay, now before I get into it and walk you through the step-by-step little tutorial, what I want to just say is what I'm going to show you, it does not require any experience, it does not require any money, and it does not require you to have a huge following already. You do not need a following, you actually don't even need an Instagram account. Okay, but I'm going to show you how you can start making money and how you can make thousands and thousands of dollars every single month doing this exact same thing people do every single day. So let's hop my computer. I'm going to show you right now what you can do to earn $1,000 every single month. Alright, here we are on Instagram. Obviously we're going to be using Instagram. That's what the whole video is about. And if you love Instagram and if you're ready to start making money on Instagram, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. But here's what I want to show you, and this is the reason why I brought you to this page. Well, this is one of my pages, okay? Homemade Entrepreneur on Instagram. Go follow me if you haven't already, but I want to show you something. Okay, so if you scroll down, let's find one. So here's one right here. Let me click on that one. Okay, so here's one right here. Until I get to where I want to be in life, I'm broke at Homemade Entrepreneur, and there's an image, okay? I paid $1 for this image right here, okay? Paid $1 for that one. Paid $1 for this one. There's no speed limits on the road to success. Homemade Entrepreneur. Okay. This one right here. I always knew I was going to be rich. Comment yes if you will be rich someday at Homemade Entrepreneur. Okay. All these images, okay, I paid $1 for. Paid $1 for each one. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, if I want to make $1,000 and I'm only charging $1 an image, that means I gotta do 1,000 images. Well, I paid $1 for these because I ordered in bulk. I have a guy that does it all for me and does some from other accounts, and so I paid $1 to have these done. Here's what I want to show you. Okay, guide to making $1,000 per month. Now, what you're going to be doing is you'll be creating images just like these. Okay, and before you say, "Oh, I don't know how to do it. I don't have the software. I don't have any of that stuff," there's a free software that you can use. Okay, it's called Canva. You can see it right here. Canva, CANVA.com. Canva. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it and how you can make your images, your stuff that you can get on Google absolutely free, and how you can make it look professional. Okay? So, here's what I want to show you first. First, I highly recommend you charge for a package. The reason why is because most people are not going to go in and be like, okay, I want one image. How much will you charge me for one image? That's just a waste of time. Okay? Go in and charge for 10 images. And these are commercial free images. These are, when I say commercial free, I mean people can use these. There's no royalty, there's nothing associated with these. You can take these images and they can plaster it wherever they want to. Okay? And they have the rights to do so. And I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Okay, because most people don't do it correctly. So, you charge $20 for 10 of these. And these are with quotes or a saying, and also their Instagram username. And the reason why I recommend you always put quote plus saying, or quote or saying plus Instagram username, is because people will associate this with paying a higher price. Okay, so you get 10 images for 20 bucks. That's $2 an image. That means you got to do 500 images in a month. Okay, if you divide that by 30, that means you have to do 16 or 17 images every single day. If it takes you, let's say, 5 minutes, there's 85 minutes for you to do those 17 images. So a little bit over an hour and 25 minutes, and you are done. Okay, you'll make $1,000 at the end of the month. Okay, pretty simple. Okay, now let's talk about this. How do you create these? Well, like I said, it's something called Canva. You can see it right here, Canva.com. I already have one opened up. Okay, and I made it 700 by 700. I just picked some random thing. And I already have an image right here. I'm going to show you how to get, how to go and find people that you can actually target. Look at that. Okay, it lines it up nicely, nice right there. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, lines it up. Go up just a little bit right there. All right, perfect. So before I show you how I'm going to change this and make it a little bit unique, let me show you what I do to go and find this image. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do, eating healthy. Type that in. This is what I do. I go to Google, type in eating healthy. Okay, brings all the stuff up. Now I'm going to go to settings. Okay, advanced search. This is going to pop up. Down here, you'll see where it says usage rights. you want to go all the way down here to free to use, share or modify even commercially, and advanced search. Okay, and then we want to get the images for that. Okay, that is how I went to get this image right here. So now I can use it, I can share it, I can modify it even commercially. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add text. Here's what I recommend. Okay, I'm just add text. This one right here. Comment your favorite food. There we go. Comment your favorite food. If I can even spell. Alright, there we go. And we're going to make this a little bit smaller. Let's do 32. Let's expand this. I'm just going to show you exactly what I do. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take it just like that, and I'm going to move it down here. Okay, comment your favorite food. Okay. Now, the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here. I'm going to change this to white. Change this to, where is it? Ireland Heavy. Okay, and change this down to 28. Let's put in some quote, what's on your plate says a lot about who you are inside. Okay, there's my quote. Now I'm going to take this, I'm going to shrink it up a little bit. Okay, perfect, right there. Okay, I'm going to take this, maybe make it a little bit bigger. Alright, good enough. Okay, let's say that's what I'm going to do. Perfect, right in the middle. I'm going to take it, do a subheading at, let's find an account really quick. I just want to show you eat healthy. Okay, so eat healthy food. Click on that one. And all we're going to do in just a second, okay, bear with me in just a second, I'm going to show you how you go and find these different accounts that will pay you to do this. So let's see this one right here. So, Well Fit Foodie. Okay, we'll type that in at Well Fit Foodie. Something like that, okay? And we'll do that in a white. Okay, do that in, here we go, like that. We'll leave it there and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, and we'll put it right under there. There we go. And that's it. Okay, what's on your plate says a lot about who you are inside. Comment your favorite food. That's going to get comments. Hopefully this can get some engagement. People are going to go and like it, share it, whatever, and it'll be good that way. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. So let's go back here, because what we talked about was, okay, these are the prices. Okay, same thing. For $50, you can do 30 commercial free images. What that means is they're not paying $2 per image. They're going to get a little bit of discount. If they pay $100, they'll get 70, so they get even more of a discount. Okay, awesome. Now here, I want to give you some tips. Target accounts that promote or do shout outs. What do I mean by that? So let's say I come here, and let's say I find an account. Let's actually find keto diet. Should type that in. So what we want to do is find an account that does some type of shout out, okay, where they will promote another account. So for example, tag us on your post for a chance to be featured. DM your favorite keto meal. So no, not that one. Keto diet. Type that one in right here. So let's say this one. Follow and tag keto diet, losing weight. They might do something like this. They have a decent amount of followers. They don't have a lot of posts. Okay. So someone like this, they might go for it. They might go for a small package. And if they do, what I'd recommend is you give them an example. You give them a free image that they can use. Okay. So let's say you come over here and you want to take, you want to create something similar to this. Or you just create this for them and be like, hey, you know, what is your email? Can I send you just this free thing that I created? It's customized for your account. It's royalty free. You don't have to, you're not paying for anything. It's absolutely free. Okay. All I want you to do is look at and be like, and tell me if this is something that you'd want on your account. Okay. If it is, I'd be glad to do, let's say 10 images similar to that every single month, and it only costs you $20 a month. And that's going to save you some time, save you the hassle of having to go out and find these new images. I'll just send them to you every single month, and they send you $20. So if every single person does that, okay, $20, okay, let me pull up my calculator again. All right, so you need $1,000, and every single person's paying you $20. That means you need 50 different people to do that. That means about 2 a day. 2 different people a day. That means you're going to create about 34, 35 images every single day, okay, in order to get to that $1,000. Pretty simple, okay? That's very simple. Here's one thing I want you to understand, all right? The images that I just showed you are very, very basic, okay? I went to Google, picked them up, they're commercial. I can use them commercially, modify them, share them, whatever, okay? If you have your own camera, or even, a phone, you have a smartphone, okay? All you have to do is take high quality photos. So if you have a DSLR, you have a mirrorless, you have something that you can go and take pictures with, great, okay? You have an awesome lens, whatever, okay? Go over there, start taking pictures of just some stuff, okay? And when you do that, what happens is you go from, okay, these are just regular images that I found on Google, or you go and take them with your camera and you tell them, I'm going to get you actual, new, okay? These are going to be all original. I'm going to personally take these myself. I'm going to edit them. I'm going to do the saying or quote on top. I'm going to add your Instagram username. I'm going to do all that stuff for you, but it's not cost you $2. It's going to be $4, $5, $10 per image. The key here, you have to take high quality viral posts, okay, or viral pictures. If you don't take a viral picture, something that could be potentially viral, the problem is you're not going to have that client for very long. It's not going to be a long-term client. They're going to drop off because they're not going to see the benefit of retaining you for a long period of time. This is also why I highly recommend you stick to a very specific niche, because if you go from health to fitness to eating to making money to inspirational quotes to cats and dogs and travel, what's going to happen is you're not going to understand the market. You're not going to understand what people really want to see. One thing I can tell you is when I first got into the pet niche, what happened is I had no clue what I was doing. I didn't know what hashtags were popular. I didn't know what people really wanted to see. If they wanted to see cats, dogs, panda bears, lions, tigers, bears, whatever it was. I had no clue. So I got in and I started to learn. I started to figure it out. And once I figured it out, then I knew, okay, I need to go get these specific images. I need to use this kind of text. I need to use this color. I need to post at this time. I need to use these hashtags. And all that combined was able to really blow up that account of mine. So that's what it takes. Okay, so I'm not saying you're going to be able to make $1,000 and you're going to start tomorrow and you're going to have 5 clients, 10 clients, 20 clients all lined up. It will take time, but I highly recommend you get going with it. One thing I suggest is you have your own Instagram account. If you remember in the beginning of this video, I said you don't need an Instagram account, and you technically don't need one with people. You have to have an Instagram account to interact with other accounts. So I'd recommend you have one. I recommend you have examples of the images you create with an email or somewhere, Facebook page, some way of them people to get a hold of you if you go and DM them. Okay, because right on your phone, you can pull out your phone, you can DM people. Okay, direct message them and let them know, hey, I noticed you have a bunch of cool images here on your page. It's pretty cool. I do these images. I will create these for you. Here, look at my account. This is just something I do. I charge $20 for 10 images, very similar to the ones I have on my account. If you're interested, just send me a message back and we can work out the details. It's that simple. Okay, making $1,000 a month is not a lot of work. Like I said, it's going to take you do what, 17 images a day. Okay, very basic. Let's say you want to do 35 images a day, so you can make about $2,000 a month. You do 70 images a day, you're going to make $4,000 a month. You do about 100 images a day, okay, or pictures, posts, whatever, you're going to make about $5,000. Okay, so it really goes up and up and up. You have to understand one thing. Instagram keeps on growing. There's more and more people out there making money with Instagram, not doing exactly what I'm telling you right now. You can have an Instagram account with 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000 followers. And the nice thing is you can monetize it. You can sell a course. You can sell a physical product. You can do shout outs, and you can get paid that way. But what I'm teaching you in this video, and if you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. But if you liked today's video, what I'm teaching you is something that anybody can do. A beginner can do this. Somebody with 0 followers can do this exact same thing because it's that simple. Okay? So go and have an Instagram account. Open up a Canva.com account. Okay? It's absolutely free. It also has a phone app, an iPhone and an Android app. Okay? So you can, or an Apple app, or whatever. You can go and get those on your phone. You can customize them on your computer. Then you can send them over to your phone, and you can send them that way. You can send them through email. You can do a whole lot of stuff. So you don't even need a computer. You can do it all from your phone. That's the beautiful thing about Instagram, and make money using this method. So if you have any questions, let me know. Just put your questions down in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to learn more ways to make money online, you want to become a better entrepreneur, and you want to live the best lifestyle possible, make sure you click that subscribe button. Subscribe today. You don't want to miss any more of my daily uploads, and I'll see you guys on the next video.